Christmas is coming up, and of course that means that everybody's ordering their stuff online. But what happens if somebody orders from your store and their stuff arrives after Christmas? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk you through that so you'll know exactly how to handle that if it potentially or indeed has happened. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce business right here in Australia, consider giving this video a thumbs up, because that way I'll know that you want more information just like this. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions or comments, you know what to do. Comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, let's get into it. Do you increase price when you can't guarantee Christmas shopping after the cut-off time? So our first thing we looked at was, what are the effects of increasing price? So now we know what the effects of that are. Typically, your sales will slow down. That's bad because you'll start to lose rank on the on SEO rank in the SERPs, okay? Next thing to think about is this. So there's an assumption behind that question. Do you increase the price when you can't guarantee Christmas shipping after the cut-off shipping time? So the assumption embedded into that is that customers want to get their products in time for Christmas. Okay, that's the assumption embedded into that. So let's have a look at this. So on the SERPs, on the search engine results page, Amazon is actually telling us, and we're in Australia here, yeah. Amazon actually tells us when this stock is going to arrive. Okay, so right from here, it's there for the customer to see. Okay, so if for here, for instance, it says order it today, get it by Monday, December 27th. Well, if I wanted that for Christmas, clearly I'm not going to order that. I'm not going to do that. Okay, but if I wanted it for Christmas, then clearly I'm going to get it there. Okay, so I'm already given that information that's implicit within your question. I'm given that information. Next thing to think about is this. Is it always the case that a gift has to arrive before Christmas? Well, nope, it's not. There's lots and lots of situations where, like for instance, when my sisters, if they see my two daughters, then they will see them in between that period of time between Christmas and New Year. They'll come sometime during that, and then they'll bring their presents then. Okay, so there's lots of situations where the product doesn't need to arrive before Christmas, and again, Amazon gives that information so that it's there for them to see. Okay, final thing to consider is this. Given that you are FBA, and Amazon is in control of sending out your product for you, well, Amazon is therefore quote unquote liable for getting that product there when it says it's going to get the product there. Okay, so again, let's think about the question. Do you increase the price when you can't guarantee Christmas shipping after cut-off shipping times? Well, implicit in that is this idea that there'll be a negative event in the form of, I assume, a bad review if the product doesn't arrive on time. Okay, so the implicit within the question is that belief, and that's true. That can absolutely happen. But in that situation where you're FBA and Amazon has said they will get the product there, and then they don't, well, if you get a bad review, you can ask Amazon to remove it because Amazon was at fault, not for you. There are not many situations that Amazon will remove negative reviews, but shipping and shipping delays is absolutely one of them. So they will remove negative feedback ratings in the event that they don't fulfill on their own promises. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. We have over 2,500 members and growing, and our sales are over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description, and I will see you on the inside. Until then, bye.